Catherine was on her way to the gym one morning in her custom-wrapped Tesla Model S, which we only mention because there's no way you can miss this thing. At least you'd think so. Evidently, one trucker managed not to notice it. Catherine did everything she could to get away from the semi, but with nowhere to escape to, she couldn't avoid a head-on collision. The airbag deployment left Catherine dazed, and by the time she'd recovered, first responders had already arrived on the scene. Here's where things get interesting. Catherine told us the trucker immediately blamed her for the collision, and he even told officers his own dashcam footage would prove it was all her fault. With pride, he showed his footage to both Catherine and the police, swearing the whole time that he'd had a green arrow for a protected left turn. In spite of his dashcam's potato quality, we can see that he began creeping forward before accelerating the moment his light turned green. There's just one little problem with his story. That light is not an arrow. Google Street View confirms that there isn't an arrow there at all, and since it was just a normal green light, the trucker was required to yield to oncoming traffic. Catherine's Teslacam footage, on the other hand, proves she had a solid green light, giving her the right of way. The police and both insurance providers, hers and the truckers, agreed that Catherine was not responsible. The trucking company accepted full liability before the trucker's insurance provider totaled her Model S. Adesh and Mia were driving their Cybertruck one rainy night when traffic slowed to a crawl. They managed to bring their Cybertruck safely to a stop, but multiple drivers behind them did not. The driver of a Toyota collided with the rear of the Cybertruck. Then that Toyota was rear-ended and pushed into the back of the Cybertruck a second time. Our submitters called 911, and both police and paramedics arrived quickly. Thankfully, everyone involved walked away without injury. While the other two vehicles were rather beaten up by the collisions, the Cybertruck appeared to hold up pretty well. We know that looks can be deceiving though. Adesh took his Cybertruck to the Tesla Collision Center, and we doubt you'll be able to guess what his repair bill was. He was given a verbal estimate and a time frame of a month to complete repairs, as long as no frame damage is discovered. Let's play a little game. Comment below with your best guess for the repair bill, and we'll tell you the initial estimate Adesh was given at the end of the video. No cheating. Ace sent us this footage from one morning when his mother was taking him to school. Sadly, they never made it. When the light ahead turned green, Ace's mother waited a full 3 seconds before proceeding slowly into the intersection. Even after all that caution, she couldn't avoid becoming the victim of a reckless driver. The other driver blew through their red light and T-boned Ace's mother's Model Y. Incredibly, everyone involved was able to walk away without serious injury. Police responded quickly, and the Teslacam footage made their investigation open and shut. Thankfully, the driver responsible immediately admitted fault. This damage wasn't preventable, but not all damage is inevitable. MagBak just launched a new version of RimCase just for the new Model Y's Helix 2.0 wheels. Now you can protect your rims without losing that fresh from the factory look. The new RimCase was rebuilt from the ground up with high durability materials that are engineered to handle the scorching heat and intense UV rays that come with long-term sun exposure. The finish itself has been meticulously matched to the Helix 2.0 wheels, so the RimCase blends in seamlessly. Most people won't even notice. The inside now features integrated silicone padding, meaning no abrasion or micro scratches. And best of all, no need to apply PPF to your wheels. MagBak has improved every part of their awesome product with a stronger material blend, better impact resistance, tighter fitment, and cleaner alignment thanks to that new silicone padding. Installation is simple. Clean your wheel, snap RimCase on, and you're done. No heat gun, adhesive, or tools needed, and it only takes about 5 minutes per wheel. For invisible OEM look protection for your new Model Y's wheels, check out MagBak's updated RimCase using the link in the description. And remember that RimCase is also available for the 21-inch Uber Turbine wheels. Grab our exclusive coupon code to get 15% off only for Wham Bam viewers. CJ was on his way to work when he started merging onto the Sprainbrook Parkway. He told us this particular parkway is notorious for having short on-ramps, and drivers tend to take their time merging, causing traffic to back up. CJ was watching his blind spot camera while changing lanes when the driver of the Toyota Sienna in front of him slammed on the brakes for a slow vehicle merging ahead of them. CJ managed to swerve around the Sienna, but the driver of the white Infiniti behind him panicked and overcorrected before colliding with the sedan in the travel lane and sending it careening into the guardrail. Another driver in the passing lane only barely escaped being clipped by swerving hard. CJ couldn't safely stop due to the heavy rush hour traffic, but he did see that other drivers behind the collision were able to stop in time to avoid also becoming involved. Traffic was only going around 40 miles per hour, but since this happened only one exit from the hospital where CJ works, we have to wonder if he might have met either of the involved drivers later on. Alexander had just picked his Model Y up from service when he watched a Model 3 rear-end a pickup truck that was stopped for a school bus. He told us he's shocked that the Model 3's active safety features didn't apply automatic emergency braking, especially considering there was plenty of time to do so. Maybe the driver will see this episode and send us her footage and tell us what happened. Alexander told us he's never missed an episode of Wham Bam Teslacam, and our channel heavily influenced his decision to buy a Tesla. Awesome! Welcome to the club! Sadly, we only have a phone recording of what James captured with his Teslacam, but it's too wild not to share with you. He was behind a truck hauling an excavator down a highway when the excavator's boom collided with an overpass, sending debris everywhere. Chunks of concrete and wreckage rained down on traffic, but James told us that full self-driving perfectly slowed down and avoided running over any of the debris. That's the end of his phone recording, but his buddy that had been following behind him let him know that 3 cars pulled over in addition to the truck. We can only imagine how that insurance negotiation went. Mike and Bobby were on their way to their favorite pizza restaurant in Carbondale, Illinois, when a very emotional pedestrian started jaywalking. He stopped dead in the road, then waved them forward a little, only to gesture to them that Cybertrucks are number 1. Mike and Bobby hoped that the oncoming minivan was some kind of unmarked law enforcement vehicle, but it wasn't. No instant justice this time. This emitter was cruising along in his 2-week-old Model 3 when he spotted something hanging out of the vehicle ahead of him. At first, he thought it was a giant stuffed giraffe, but as he got closer, he realized it was a massive snake just enjoying the fresh air. Enough is enough! I have had it with these Cybertruckin' snakes in this Cybertruckin' car! Our submitter told us he's used to watching dogs hang their heads out of car windows, but a snake? That's definitely something new. Christophe and his son Ethan were enjoying a drive in his Model 3 along the French Riviera when a loud white Golf came flying up behind them. Christophe told us the guy was driving like he was in the Fast and the Furious, but all the while, a black VW was chasing him down. When they got to a roundabout, the driver of the black car cut across a bus lane to get next to Speed Racer. Two angry-looking guys hopped out of the black car, and that's when Christophe realized they were part of the local anti-crime brigade, essentially undercover cops. There's one reckless driver who's getting a heaping helping of instant justice. You'll love to see it. Christophe's son Ethan was pumped that their very first Wham Bam Teslacam submission happened on his 12th birthday. Happy birthday, Ethan. Hey, watch out for this tough guy. Does anybody know who the driver of this Cybertruck is? Somebody needs to tell him that this is not the way to behave when emergency vehicles have shut a road down in the aftermath of a collision. Evidently, he was too special to stop like everyone else, even hopping a curb to get around the barricade. Roll the jingle, he's earned it.
That Tesla man can't drive. That Tesla man can't drive.
Justin was on his way to his graveyard shift when he noticed that the highway was extra slick after a recent rainfall. As other drivers began braking, the wheels of a white sedan ahead suddenly locked up, sending it sliding and then rolling down an embankment. Justin told us he was late for work and couldn't stop, but he assumed that somebody else would. Who is that somebody? Just wondering. Panos was stopped for a red light when a bright flash lit up the sky. He immediately asked his girlfriend, "Did you see that?" Not only had she not seen it, she didn't believe him when he told her what he'd seen. Of course, all doubts disappeared once he pulled up his Teslacam footage and proved his claim. Who's laughing now? Good old Teslacam, always bailing Tesla drivers out of their jams. Like we always say, the Teslacam never lies. One rainy fall day, Cody watched the driver of a Toyota Tacoma struggle to maintain control while exiting a highway. The pickup fishtailed behind Cody before the driver overcorrected and ended up driving into the grass. I guess it's a good thing they were in an off-road capable vehicle, am I right? Dominic was approaching an intersection when a black SUV blew past a stop sign, nearly colliding with a white Mustang with the right-of-way. Thankfully, both drivers reacted to avoid a collision, and the Mustang driver was able to thread the needle between the SUV and a red sedan. Dominic told us this intersection is a wreck waiting to happen. It's pretty obvious why he thinks so. The traffic lights are bagged up, and temporary stop signs are placed in one direction while the other traffic is allowed to drive straight through. Hopefully, whatever construction is underway here will be completed soon before someone gets hurt. Bobby was on his way home from work when he spotted Santa also heading home. Wow, he's really getting a jump on the Christmas season. Let's just hope he's got some other form of transportation to deliver gifts with, because that bike isn't going to hold much. Okay, back to Adesh's Cybertruck and his estimated repair bill. His Cybertruck needs a new bumper cover, tailgate, and battery since the casing was dented by the impact, bringing his repair quote to $35,000 US. So much for that collision being a minor fender bender. Adesh expects to get a final repair bill by the end of next week, after it's been determined if there is any frame damage. We should be able to update you in a few weeks and tell you if the Cybertruck was totaled, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss it. If you need more Teslacam chaos, check out this mega episode featuring the most viewed videos we've shared with you in 2025.